guess she's not an airplane, bye. Okay, throw it away already. No, throw it away. This is a washer. Do you want to see inside the washer? Yeah. You know you want to put it in there. Yeah, your clothes. Okay, let's go outside now by the pool. Come by the pool.
Can I see the video now?
It's still going. That's crusty Caroline.
What are you doing?
Your mama. It's all slow motion.
What?
I'm bored. No trespassing.
No solicitaro.
No doing people.
Let me see.
You know that's what you're planning to do. It's still going. Get in the car. It's like, oops, let you go on the street.
Oh, what a bitch.
Okay, bye.